Okay, it's 10:15. She's just laying around doing nothing. It's a piece of cake. Right?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's taking my blood pressure.
taking her blood pressure. Got an IV there. She's got a pee bag down here.
And I miss Broody Brew.
Oh, I wonder how they're doing with him. You can't really see the tummy, Amy. It's all covered up. And here's everybody trying to sleep before the big event. Brian can't sleep. Here's her room. She's watching TV. And we'll see you later. Can't see the tummy. Say bye.